If you are traveling from America down to Nigeria, if you are changing plane in Heathrow, the calmness, the way you are going to enjoy the flight to Heathrow is not the way you are going to inherit to Nigeria. If you have about 10 Igbos, what is you are not the one that shut up this plane. For God's sake, let us come and build our country. Because the time is still coming which the Lord has revealed. All Nigerians in the diaspora before 2060 will be deported into Nigeria. Then when it's December, I'm going home. And they go to Christmas for village. And they blah, 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 blah. And at the end of the day, they will go and they will not come back. And most of them are ritualists.
About losing our peace, sir. You look at what happened in Ghana recently. No, because they said that when you want to do business in Ghana in year 2003, 2004, they say it's $300,000 to be Nigerian to have your certificate. So okay, it was $50,000. Suddenly they jumped it to $300,000. Now they are now saying they have to make it $1 million. These are common traders. They are not big employers like Globalcom or Bonvita or whatever. These are just traders that are on the streets. These Omoibos.
If you wanted to drive somebody away from your, supposing you are a landlord, and you wanted to expel one of your tenants, and you now tell him that your son is coming from America, so the 6 months left, you should take it and then leave. Then you are going to provide pickup. What are you trying to do?
Eviction, sir.
That's all. They want to evict Nigerians. Are we honest again? Even in that Ghana, they have already even tried to tolerate us. There was a day they said it's open inside a toilet common, a safety tank, when they saw a lot of Ghanaian girls, which Nigerian people are selling their parts. But they've never committed to that level in Nigeria. In Nigeria here, when we gave them package the other day, that Ghana must go. Then whatever that goes up, when you look at Malachi 1, 4-8, then Malachi 2, 1-7. Then when you look at the book of Habakkuk, Malachi 1, yes.
Nítorí Édómù wípé àrùn wa tán ṣùgbọ́n àwa ó padà a sì kọ́ ibùgbé ahóró wọn nì báyìí ni Olúwa àwọn ọmọ ogun wí wọn ó kọ́ ṣùgbọ́n èmi ó wó lulẹ̀ wọn ó sì pè wọ́n ní agbègbè ìwà búburú àti àwọn ènìyàn tí Olúwa ní ìkannú sí títí láé ojú yín yóò sì rí ẹ̀yin yóò sì wí pé a ó gbé Olúwa ga láti òkè àgbègbè Ísírẹ́lì wá ọmọ a máa bọlá fún bàbá àti ọmọ ọ̀dọ̀ fún olúwa rẹ̀ bí èmi bá sì ṣe Olúwa ẹ̀rù mi àdà ní Olúwa ọmọ ogun fún yín ẹ̀yin àlùfáà tí ń gan orúkọ mi ẹ̀yin sì wí pé nítorí kí ni àwa fi kẹ́gàn orúkọ rẹ.
ọmọ aṣekínni a máa bọlá fún bàbá. Nigerians are too rude outside. If you are traveling from America down to Nigeria, if you are changing plane in Heathrow, the calmness, the way you are going to enjoy the flight to Heathrow is not the way you are going to inherit to Nigeria. If you have about 10 Igbos, what is you are not the one that shut up this plane. For God's sake. If you are from the village, that's not you, but you are coming from somewhere. They won't allow anybody to sleep. Then again, they will be taking the red wine. They will be packing the red wine inside their trouser. And they have money that they can buy this. But look at people. Too lousy. Too lousy. And if you look at how they get the money, it's the senators that give them the free ticket. And they believe they are stainless. Then when you look at all these things, the Nigerians should come back here. Let us come and build our country. Because the time is still coming which the Lord has revealed. All Nigerians in the diaspora before 2060 will be deported into Nigeria. Because all it takes for us to be great is in us. We have it. What do we need? Love your neighbor as yourself. Then 2, know your limits. Nigerians never know their limits. If a card is given to you to use in the bank in America, there must be a limit. They can give you the car, maybe 10,000 naira. They will give you $4,000. But when you use it judiciously, they can, another 3 years, they can make it, they put on it. But do you know before in Canada, everywhere, the Benin boys in Canada, especially the Benin people, they will go and rent car in Ottawa, rent car in Toronto, in Niagara Falls. Before you know, they said they are traveling to America. Before you know, the Igbo boys and the Benin boys, the cars are in Nigeria. You remember when they tracked them down to Larry Motors and others in those days? These are people. They didn't have respect for themselves. Even once they didn't have respect for themselves, they didn't have respect for the nation. There are things, a lot of things I cannot do in life. I cannot lie. I don't need to be lousy, and I don't need to bring anybody down. Then I have to respect my friends. As I respect myself, I will respect you. But people, I know you there, because I tell you, listen, no. I've cautioned these people before. But these people have a lot of people following them. This bad wagon. Then when you look at the book of Jeremiah 17, from verse 4. And then when you look at the book of Jeremiah 7, from verse 18.
And thou, even thyself, shalt discontinue from thine heritage that I gave thee, and I will cause thee to serve thine enemies in the land which thou knowest not. For ye have kindled a fire in my anger, which shall burn forever. Thus saith the Lord, cursed be the man that trusted in man, and maketh flesh his arm, and whose heart departed from the Lord. For it shall be like the heated in the desert, and shall not see when good cometh, but shall inhabit the parched places in the wilderness, in a salt land, and not inhabited. Blessed is the man that trusted in the Lord, and whose hope the Lord is. For it shall be as a tree planted by the river, by the waters, and that spreadeth out her roots by the river, and shall not see when it cometh, but her leaf shall be green, and shall not be careful in the year of drought, neither shall cease from yielding fruit. The heart is deceitful above all things.
And the heart what?
Is deceitful.
Is the same very bad.
Above all things. And desperately wicked. Who can know it?
An Igbo man will go to Bangkok, Dubai, Malaysia to import goods. Then before the goods will arrive, Chinedu will kill Jude. 1983, 1981. Then they will now go and build house in their village. The village where Tipa cannot get to. Then when it's December, oh no, I'm going home. And they go to Christmas for village. And they blah, 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 blah. And at the end of the day, they will go and they will not come back. And most of them are ritualists. Look at this Igbo.
That's the chief. That's the chief of Kafo.
That's a practical example of all the whole thing. Look at Oliver the Cock. For those people to just die like a chicken. Yes.
17:11. Bí àparò tí sàbà lórí ẹyin tí kò yín, bẹ́ẹ̀ gẹ́gẹ́ ni ẹni tí ó kó ọrọ̀ jọ, ṣùgbọ́n kì í ṣe ní òdodo, yóò fi sílẹ̀ lágbede méjì ọjọ́ rẹ̀, àti ní òpin rẹ̀ yóò jẹ́ aṣiwèrè.
So they should bring them home. They cannot pay. They have their fatherland now. He said Nigeria is our fatherland. Huh? Come. If you travel to somewhere you don't get your way out, you can come back home. If you go to Britain, nothing forthcoming in Britain, then go to Bauchi. It's the same thing. Then if you go to River State, and nothing comes out of the place, then go to Rwanda. It's still Arrow. So when you get to Rwanda, you'll be able to get something, either a fisherman or you are carving a boat just to make a living. Then ask me and ask yourself, how much did the Lord say we should return back? Then how much did we pay on this journey that we are in? Ask yourself. Then why are people so mean like this? Èló la san nígbà tá ń bọ̀ látọ̀run. Èló ni ticket, owó ticket yẹn. Then everybody was just struggling. Afẹ́ fọmọ́lẹ̀ sáyé lọ, afẹ́ fi lélẹ̀, afẹ́ fi Tinubu lẹ̀, afẹ́ fi Ọ̀ságìí lẹ̀. Pọ́tà àmẹ́ tó máa jí lọ́la. Ìyẹn lágbára jù wá lọ náà. Then when you look at Ecclesiastes 5, from verse 4 to 10, then Ecclesiastes 6 to 11, then Ecclesiastes 9 verse 10.
Ní ìgbà tí ìwọ bá jẹ́ ẹ̀jẹ́ fún Ọlọ́run, má ṣe dúró pẹ́ láti san, nítorí kò ní nínú dùn sí aṣiwèrè. San èyí tí ìwọ jẹ́jẹ́, ó sàn kí ìwọ kí ó má jẹ́jẹ́ ju kí ìwọ kí ó jẹ́ ẹ̀jẹ́ kí ó má san.
That's all. Ó ṣì kú kàn.
Má ṣe jẹ́ kí ẹnu rẹ kí ó mú ara rẹ ṣẹ̀, kí ìwọ kí ó má sì ṣe wí níwájú ìránṣẹ́ Ọlọ́run pé èṣì ni ó ṣe, nítorí kí ni Ọlọ́run yóò ṣe bínú sí ohùn rẹ, a sì bà iṣẹ́ ọwọ́ rẹ jẹ́, nítorí pé bí nínú ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ àlá ni asán wà, bẹ́ẹ̀ ni nínú ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ ọ̀rọ̀ pẹ̀lú, ṣùgbọ́n ìwọ bẹ̀rù Ọlọ́run.
Ó ti parí. Just fear God and leave the rest. Am I living with my children in Dublin? No. Am I praying for them? No. God knows how to take care of them.